up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
GGG, my mens.
Let's go.
MVs for today. XG. X-Galex. So, our Japanese girls.
XG.
English release siguro to, no? Most likely. Hindi naman sila nag-release ng MV na hindi, English eh. Tapos, woke up like this. Ayan. So, bias talk ba tayo pag ganito?
Yes, sir.
Parang ayoko isali si Mav muna pag bias talk. Kasi,
Hindi ko kayo talaga. Magkaaway kayo lagi.
paiba-iba yan eh. Biglang nagbabago ng bias eh. Pero sige, starteran ko na. Ria Hinades. So, Juria saka Hinata.
Okay.
Pero, Juria din Hinata. So, naging fan ako ng XG, not from debut. Naging fan nila ako, Mascara era. Ayan. Tapos, ikaw, Mav.
Sure ka ba? Gusto mo sabihin sa akin?
Sige, okay, thank you. Mix account man.
Sure.
Seryoso ba? Ikaw mo naman.
Hindi, go, Mav.
Ano ko? Tatlo ba?
Yung totoo! Yung totoo!
Tatlo nga talaga.
Yung unang lineup, hindi yung bigla mong nire-reform.
Rebound na eh.
Revamp na to eh. Wala na yung lineup.
So, Ben.
Yung revamp, Juria, Kokona, Chisa. May top.
Parang dati hindi naman yan.
Oh, dati, Kokona, tsaka Chisa. Tapos biglang nag-rank up siya na Risu.
There's a Risu. I found the Risu.
Wala yan. Invalid. Ikaw, mix.
Sa akin, una talaga si Jurin. Tapos, ngayon, si Maya. Ayan.
Maya. Alam ko nga, Maya kayo ni Rod.
Na-discover ko lang sila sa TikTok eh. Yung TV doon. Yung debut nila. Ayun.
Napanood ko yung debut nila, pero di ko nagustuhan agad. Nung Mascara era ako naging fan. Siguro preference lang din. Pero ikaw, debut pa.
Yung time na yun talaga, nakakasan na talaga ako kay Jurin. Kaya Jurin bias ako nun. Kasi yung nag-mascara, yun na, tuloy-tuloy na, puro si Maya na. Yan, Maya na. Maya Jurin pa rin. Pero Maya na ako. One.
Lately nga, puro Maya rin yung favorite kong content sa TikTok nila. Pati yung sa Cash Money, Maya. Ang nga sobra. Yun yung favorite ko dun sa, sa apat na, yung recent na nila. Exit tape. Number 4 ba? 5 na. Tapos yung parang favorite ko dun, Maya, Harvey. Rin ko na. So parang medyo nabaliktad compared dun sa Gal Cypher nila. Wala lang. Ang mga si Maya. Ayan. GGG.
G. XG.
Play mo na par. GGGs. I woke up like this.
Yo.
Sino yan? Si Simon?
Yan.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left the place in panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, baby, say the names right, spell it out so you can learn it. Cause metal toss when it's turning, cause metal fire when it's burning. Can tell we all made it work for us, made it, but we had to work for it. Work, so perfect that it hurt, don't it? Surf on them.
Si Harvey nun?
Right away, cause we had the right away.
Nung una nakala ko hindi Harvey kasi hindi distinct yung boses.
Drop top in a coupe outside, wanna hop up out of this plane. Look at my face right now when I just walked out of my bed. Fix my hair and fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop, bound for the grain, make a bound down to the X.
Sisa yun?
Little more than ordinary, honorary.
Yo!
Me to leave it on you, bro. I'm the judge and jury, I don't wanna hear it. I'm the one that fear and keep it on the low. This is automated, I'm the motivator. Told my haters,
Bakit super straight hip-hop?
Fascinated, I'm just laughing cause it's so hilarious. Little girl with a big mouth, smoke with a big big watch, no
Ikaw ko lahat. Oh, black.
now, just now. Put a little more down for the bus down. Went on tour when I'm busting to the bus down. Everything custom now. Friends rushing out, security had to push me out. 48 loud laws of power.
Hey.
Better go with a big motor on a kid though. Watch me rip though, watch me snap like Motorola flip phone.
Parang
I don't
medyo
wanna hit you
nahihirapan
with
din.
the intro, bring that
Hirap
bounce
na.
like 6'4".
Dahil
Find
dun
me
sa
in
ano
Tokyo,
na.
rapping in a skirt. Are you catch my drift?
Yung, ano,
Looking like this.
veneer,
Get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Yo.
Woke up looking like this. So don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Gagi.
Yeah.
Kakaiba ngayon na atake nila.
Tag it up, graffiti, drop a pin to add it, that's where I go. Rip the show and that's all I know, I'm supervision. Y'all just built on
Yan?
stations, watch me do
Wala!
everything, everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around the world. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Don't. XGALX, and that's the name of the shit. That's it.
XGALX.
So don't make fun of my kids. We all family stand tall now, so don't talk down to my kid. Hey, welcome to the party, floating like it's Mardi Gras, yeah. You can call me Javi, but I'm not your Barbie doll, yeah. Party, party,
Hey.
nothing at 'em, what we
Na yung
pass
Bobby
away.
Doll.
Come black out, face all packed away.
Kulay red ng ipin niya,
To the
no?
LC,
Harvey.
oh that's me, Lord have mercy. Young quick,
Oh, bumalik na naman yung C to the OC.
built like an OG. Got a new
Siyempre.
fit for the bags. Looking real fit for the mags. And the moon proof in the
Fit for the
bag.
mags.
Naman.
Proof in the tag. Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
Hey.
Woke up
Hey.
looking like
Woke up
this.
looking like this.
Woke
Yeah.
up looking like this, so don't get under my skin.
Wait, ipaperform ba nila to sa music shows? Sana oo. Hey.
Mm.
Okay, ulitin mo. Feeling ko ang daming bars na went over our heads because wala yung subtitle. So gusto ko makita ko ano yung mga... Sige, GGG with subs. Ulitin mo, ulitin mo.
Let's go. Round 2.
Sino to? Si BM. Yung forma ng likod parang BM eh.
Yeah, I've been here waiting, looking at him, trying to catch up, take it how you wanna take it. Left the place
Hey.
to panic, left to take another planet, left to make another statement. XG, niggas say the names right,
Okay.
spell it out so you can learn it. Cause metal toss when it's turning, cause metal fire when it's burning. Can tell we all made it work for us, made it but we had to work for it.
Eto? Harvey na to.
Harvey,
Harvey,
Harvey.
don't it? Surf on them, right away, right away, right away. Cause we had the right away. Bye, 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 flying past, then we fly away in the outer space. Drop top in a coupe, I wanna hop up out of this plane.
Eto, dito ako nagulat.
Right now when I just walked out of my bed.
Ang smooth din ng process na yan.
Fix my makeup on the way. Bound to the next stop.
Parang wala. Straight hip-hop lang.
A little more than ordinary.
Hey, make him bounce down to the X.
Leaving all you broke. I'm the judge and jury. I don't wanna hear it. I'm the one that fear and keep it on the low. This is automated. I'm the motivator. Told my haters, y'all more the merrier. Y'all my entertainer.
Yo.
Fascinated. I'm just laughing cause it's so hilarious. Let her go with a big mouth. Smoke with a big house. Yeah, big watch on the wrist now. I just started that flow now, just now. Put a little more down for the bus down. Went on tour when I bust into the bus down. Everything custom now. Friends rushing out. Security had to push me out. 48 laws of power. Let her go with a big motor on a kid though. Watch me rip though. Watch me snap like Motorola flip phone. I don't
Yo.
wanna hit this hard on the intro. Bring that bounce like 6'4". Find me in Tokyo, rapping in a skirt. Are you catch my drift though? Woke up looking like this.
Hey, Tokyo Drift.
Woke up looking like this. Woke up looking like this. So don't get
Hey.
under my skin. Woke up
Hey.
looking like this.
Hey.
Nagiging AI na talaga yung mga hina.
Tag it up, graffiti, drop a pin to add it, that's where I go. Rip the show and that's all I know, I'm supervision. Y'all just built on superstations, watch me do everything,
Hey.
everywhere, all at once, all the time, all around
Oy!
the world.
Hey, Ria Hina!
Get under my skin, don't. XGALX, and that's the name of the shit. That's it. Damn,
Yeah.
I'm the mother wolf, so don't make fun of my kids. We all family stand tall now, so don't talk down to my kid. Hey, welcome to the
Hey, mother wolf.
Yup.
You can call me
Hey, Mardi Gras.
not your Barbie doll, yeah.
Yeah.
Body high, laughing at him when we passed away. Black on black, our face all packed away, packed away. C to the LC, oh that's me, Lord have mercy. Young queen, better act
Hey.
like an onion. Young blood, but I'm built like an
Young
onion.
queen, but I act like an undie.
Looking real fit for the mags, and the moon proof in the pack. So it's just proof in the tag. Woke up looking like
Hey.
this, so don't get
Hey.
under my skin. Woke up
Hey.
looking like this.
Yeah.
Hey.
Woke up looking like this, so don't get under my skin. Woke up looking like this.
Medyo hindi ko sure kung ano yung magiging take ng Korean netizens dito or even yung
Japanese.
audience in general, pati sa music shows kung ma-appreciate na. Pero straight hip-hop kasi, walang ibang like halo. Eh usually, yung mga Koreans, they're used to seeing stages from girl groups na parang lively, bubbly, energetic, tapos dance pop music, ganun. Ito straight hip-hop lang talaga. So
Bira
siguro
na
magiging similar to... Kasi yung sa yung Posse, yung XXL, medyo may halong pagka,
Yung pagka
comical eh. Parang, not really dance pop, pero parang
may
hip-hop
elements,
rock, comedic, parang ganun. Tapos ito kasi straight hip-hop lang talaga. Pero, ang curious ako makita, yung magiging choreo nito. Kasi parang, ang angas na agad eh. Kung ano yung parang naging take mo pag una mong pinanood yung Girl Gang, parang ganun yung vibes niya. Parang tippy toes na Girl Gang halo. Tapos ito na yun. Parang ganun. Ito yung nakakalabasan. Kayo, anong tingin nyo?
straight up banger.
Straight up banger, no?
Oh, par. Ilang
Talagang ano. I mean, hindi ko rin talaga masisisi na ganun yung ginawa nilang concept. Kasi nga, bagay nga talaga sa kanila yung hip.
Yun na yung...
Yung angas kasi nila eh. Hindi na mawawala yan. So yun, parang nag-capitalize lang siguro sila sa ganun. Which is nag-work naman para sa akin. Kasi, naman, hip-hop is life.
Ako excited ako sa choreo. Choreo yung gusto ko talaga makita. May live stage na ba to? Check mo nga ba, baka meron na.
Pwede na sabayin.
Woke up. Pero feeling ko wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Ito pa lang yung fan ko.
Isa sa Japan.
Pero wala, wag na natin nantayin yan. Hindi ko sure kung magpo-perform sila this week or baka bukas, M-Countdown. Pero, ayan. Goods naman. MV-wise, sobrang daming talagang super-duper hard-hitting hip-hop. Pure hip-hop influence. Halong Tipitos, Girl Gang. Excited sa choreo. Yun lang.
Halong Travis Scott. Biglang.
Travis Scott?
Oh.
Makikita mo naman na ano rin.
May kita mo yung
influence ba ng ano, no?
Recent rapper sa sila Travis. Yun.
Tsaka props din talaga sa MB nila lagi.
Production team nila, no?
Walang palya.
Hindi nila tinitipid talaga.
Yun yung maganda sa kanila. Talagang hindi sila nagbabagsak ng basta-basta. Kahit nga yung mga basta-bastang bagsak lang nila, maganda pa rin yung quality.
Tsaka pati yung mga stylist nila, grabe, solid.
Talagang in-embrace nila yung ganyang concept. Yung shot pa nila.
Nails pati, di ba? Parang piniperl nila lagi. So, yun. Napakasulit.
Yung Wolfpack outfits, talagang complete for ears,
Yung pati yung
nails.
Angas eh, no?
Props din kay Jury, kay Kokona.
Kaya nga dyan, sumusundot ka pa eh.
Diba?
Pero grabe si Kokona, no? Talagang nag-try talaga siya ng ibang
Pero feel ko
nag-block talaga siya.
Pero feel ko nasa concept naman niya na gano'n eh. Kasi diba, yung mga recent postings niya
parang gusto niya daw, diba? Gusto niya ito yung...
May nakita akong article sabi nung parents daw ni Coco na siya daw talaga may gusto rin magpa-block. So,
got emo type na team.
Angas nga eh.
Real. So, never been done before by
Pero
yung idols.
Ang tanong, parang dun kaya mismo sa MB niya ginawa yung nagpakalbo siya.
Feel ko naman doon, so parang sinakina nila,
Para mukhang maangas talaga.
Ang naalala ko tuloy yung sa TLC, sa Black Dress. Di ba kasi si Yeon, doon din siya nag-short hair sa Black Dress MV. Doon niya pinutol.
Ganun, no?
Parang
gusto ko rin mapanood yung nito, BTS net.
Meron yan most likely, pero siguro mga after 1 or 2, 3 weeks para, ganun.
Angas nun. Mismo doon niya ginawa. nagpa-enlist siya.
Ilang
Hey.
songs kaya net?